Hello, how's it going? How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Another day, another episode of Build, Brick, and Fix. To anyone who's new here, we are road coders. We stream every weekday from 9:30 to 10:30 AEST, and every weekend from 9:30 to 11:30 Australian Eastern Standard Time. So, if you're wondering today what we did yesterday, we were able to successfully instantiate our Fetch API to post a board, which was a really major breakthrough for the middleware connections, which meant that we can go ahead and work on other specific functions which we need to implement to make the front end communicate with the backend and vice versa. So today we aim to probably get some other functions like get and other post note functions work. What do you have to say, Zen? What do we have today?
Uh, that was a fantastic introduction. Thanks a lot for that, Kay.
Mhm.
I know we agreed to do the other functions straight away, but I was thinking that because the initial task was to just post the board name itself, so
Right.
how about if we just continue to do the board
Yeah.
name, which would mean that we have to change a bit of a database design, and then as soon as that's done, we can actually then move on to the other methods. How about
Yeah,
that?
sounds amazing. Yeah, I think that's a better approach. Let's clean up the mess which we made, then we will move
Yeah,
forward.
perfect. No
All
problem at all.
right.
So, if you wanna open, okay, I'll open my one
I think
up.
we need AWS first to change the schema.
Ah, yeah. Um, AWS first to change the schema. I don't think we would need that. We can just
Oh yeah, we can use
um
Berkeley.
do it in the Express app to include the board name,
Okay, yeah, that shouldn't be hard, I guess.
because the reason why we can actually do that is because no SQL is a non-relational
That's right.
database, which would mean that if we want to add more columns to a particular row, we don't really have to add that specifically in the database first and then
Right.
do the operations on them. We can just
Yeah,
normally do
that's
that.
yep.
Right, I've got many other things open up. Right, so we would go to VS Code. I've already
Also, I
got
want to
that
give
open
our
up here.
viewers a very special announcement. So, if you are following us regularly, we have a special guest next week, which Zen told me about. We'll not reveal who it is right now, but you'll get to know. He's a really proficient dev, so
Yeah,
um,
yeah, he's
you
a
should really
really,
not
really
miss
good
our
one.
episodes next week. So,
Hmm.
keep an eye.
Hmm. Fantastic. Thanks a lot for mentioning that,
Mhm.
Karthik.
Mhm.
That was brilliant. Okay. So we needed to add the board name to our board here.
Right.
So we can just, because I think the board name will come from the board itself, isn't it?
I think that's a body feature.
Yeah, yeah, body. So it will come from the body, which would mean that we would have to create it over here. So I would just do board name, and then
Mhm.
this would have the board name here as well.
To literally anything, just assign any string right now, I guess,
Mhm. Well, we can't
or empty
assign
string. Yeah.
any string
Yeah.
because it needs to come from the front end.
Yeah,
I'll do
yeah,
empty string and then do that one there. Okay, yeah.
all right, that's
So
good.
this is the only change we needed to do. So I'll just deploy it now. Just let me make sure I've got everything right. I don't really care about this one.
Yep.
Cool.
So I think this will go ahead and change our body response in Fetch API as well. We'll talk about that.
It should, yeah, yes. Sorry, I didn't really think it that far at all.
yeah, I
So
was
I'll
just thinking about
I'll just
that.
yeah, it's
Mm,
good to know the future steps, but
mm.
I'm a huge fan of doing baby steps.
Yeah. Now, because I was doing the Fetch API stuff, so it was just like, what's the
Okay,
information
yeah,
on the Fetch API in my mind? I'm like,
true, true,
I'd have
true.
to uncover the data. So
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
anyway, how was your day? How was
Right.
work?
Pretty busy. Yeah, work was alright, but the day off to work was pretty busy because I was just trying my best to set up our stream log.
Oh yeah, that's true. How did that go?
Um, so um, well, so the thing that's happening is that I didn't really know how you set the blog up.
All right.
So it would have taken me a lot longer to actually understand it first. So what I did was create my one, as in from scratch,
Okay.
just to un- understand the process. But now that I know the I know the process is giving me an error in the build, so the amplify build. So I'm just trying to figure out that we will have a look at that or offline if you have
Yeah.
a bit more time.
Yeah, if it all comes down to your machine giving us some problems, we can always use a Cloud9 instance to maintain the blog. I mean, at least
Yeah,
for your case, you can just like fire up an instance and install Hugo on that and clone the
yeah,
repo and just maintain that.
right, right. Yeah, that could be done as well as an
Yeah, that
alternative.
probably won't cost you much because you just need to like whenever you have to write a blog, you just
Hmm.
push it up and do a commit, and then you can turn
Yeah,
it off.
yeah, yeah, exactly. Why is it? It's G instead of G. Yeah, I was typing in instead of G. That was my.
Right.
How's your day been though?
Oh yeah, pretty busy. I had a lot of group meetings.
Okay.
Remember the subject I told you about where we need to make
Yeah,
React app, in which
yeah,
I'm the Scrum Master.
yeah.
So we had a big meeting on that,
Mm-hmm.
making good progress on the React app, and
That's
had
good.
a there's an assignment for operating systems
Mm-hmm.
fundamentals. So there's a huge problem with using a M1.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have to get a any virtualware, there's a thing
VMware.
called
Mm-hmm.
Paradise, which we
Yeah.
were discussing the other day, and it costs a lot, and there's no like way around to that. So that's what I'm trying to tackle at this point. There's a
Ah.
thing, um, UTM, with which you can make a like virtual box run, but
Mm-hmm.
it's really complicated to install. So I'm trying to save
Ah,
80
right.
bucks.
Yeah, yeah. True,
If that works.
true. I'm just trying to think that I think we should have got this from the bot itself, not from
And
just an
yeah,
empty string
so
here.
Taku stream is here. How's it going? We have a new viewer.
Brilliant. Welcome, Daku stream.
The name's funny. That's funny.
Good to, huh?
Name's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
So
Do you get
one
the?
thing,
Did you get an endpoint?
yes, I've got the endpoint and it's basically the same, but one thinking that this probably won't work, but yeah, we can still try it first. If you wanna change, if you wanna share your screen,
Yeah, I can do that. Can you see it?
yes, I can now.
I'll go ahead and take the endpoint. All right. That's the endpoint. Open post now. Hopefully that doesn't take too long to open, though it probably will.
To be honest, I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah. Let's try it out, I guess. But yeah, you might be right. Oh, Postman didn't take long to open. That's good.
But it does it does load faster than mine.
Yeah. Um. All right. Do you want me to give the name in the body?
Yeah, actually, no, I don't want that to happen. Probably just do this from the
Okay, it did work.
fetch API. I mean, yeah, it would work here, but the goal is to make it work in the fetch API. I'm
All right.
100% sure they would work here
So with the
directly from
current
Postman.
base, what we're trying to do, we don't need a body. Or okay, actually, let's see.
We need it to come from the URL because it's already coming from the URL. I mean, it's already present in the URL. We just have to take that and put it in the board name thing.
Okay, right. Um, all right.
Data board ID.
Is
Um,
that? I don't think so. How do we fetch stuff from URL?
saying query string. Ours isn't query string. Ours is kind of a path name. Um, do you get the path name from the URL? From the URL. How do I pass them into host? URL paths. That one? Yeah, there we go. Windows location dot path name. Third one.
This one. All right. Okay. All right. Got it.
Yeah,
But that's
there we go.
assigning it. We need to get it.
Well, if we can, uh, yeah, um,
You mean this?
get item path name. Yeah, try that. As in, just
Because we don't have a local
console
storage.
log it.
I have a feeling we can't do get item because we don't have local storage.
No, Windows dot path. Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant.
Hmm.
Body. path name. I'm
Do you
just
want me to just give a string right now to the body and see if it works in the first place?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Do that. Duh, 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 duh.
Do you think there's different this for if we include body? I'll just go ahead and try it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was gonna say. That just go ahead and try and see what happens. Inspect element properly first.
Okay, for starters, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
I'll try it on
8,000.
calculator.
Home-based email.
Interesting. Zen, just keep
That?
an eye on the chat as well. I can't.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, can you possibly mute your notification? As
Oh
in
yeah.
the
Oh, I hate this
thing.
card. Oh my god. Yeah. All right. So 404 found, not found.
Message file. It's complete. Go up
In the terminal or
in the terminal. Um, right when you start the command.
hmm.
Okay, there. Go down. Mm,
That's just
hello.
me stopping it. That's unimportant.
Exception. Okay. Um, it's something to do with the command there. Um,
I think it's something to do with. Oh wait.
with the data underscore data.
Yeah, but how
Is
can
it?
it be that catastrophic that it's not able to find the file? Am I in the right directory? I think that's first of all.
Scrambler.
Oh, I need to be in this client. That's funny.
Ah,
Sorry, my bad.
and it's mine as well. I should have kept an eye.
Alrighty.
Unsupported method post. Right. So the method isn't supported now. Error response. Right. Post. So the method isn't supported.
Let's see an example of the fetch. Oh, can you send me the URL which you sent yesterday? That was helpful.
Yeah. Hang on. Let's see if I can find it again.
If you want, I can
uh,
try finding it in my history. It'll be there.
um, actually, I'll do that as well. Settings. No, 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 I don't want in that way. I want it.
No.
Um, no. Scrape.
Oh yeah, got it.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I got it. Is it this one?
Find it. Hang on, I'll have to. Yeah. So handle the response. Um,
There's no data.
no,
Green.
there wouldn't be data because we got that code forms somewhere else.
Okay. Um,
Uh, go up. Java
there.
fetch API. Oh, that's just doing the get request, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't need that. How to put your fetch API with body. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I'm just opening this one as well. You wanna see this one?
This is I think bad because these are the official ones. Header. Ah,
Mm.
the body has to be stringified.
Oh, that's true. But isn't it already a string?
Um, JSON, stringify, and string are not the same.
Oh, I didn't know about that. I learned something new. All right.
Unsupported method post. File not found. Error.
Which file isn't found? That's what.
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh, it's just relates to this only.
What do you mean?
Come on. It's just related to this only.
By saying that that isn't supported, as in the method isn't supported. Post method.
Yeah, that's why I want to see how it's done. Wow. Oh, they've named it data. No, no.
Form data. Data append. Payload.
I don't think that is stringified, Zen.
It might not be then.
Yeah, because we're already stringifying data here.
Ah, yeah, yeah. So you're right. In that case, it doesn't need to be there.
But that's not the problem. Also, I'm getting rid of the alert,
Yeah,
I think.
yeah. Do that. We don't need that anymore.
But
Go back to. Mhm.
yeah, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, go back to the URL, the JavaScript API one that we were looking at.
Um, this doesn't feel right because um. Oh wait, I know what's the problem. I think I know what it is. Can you show me the what's the schema? Does it say board underscore name?
Board name, as
Underscore?
in no underscore and uppercase N. Uppercase N. Yeah.
Oh my god, come on. Really?
I did you hard refresh it?
I'll open incognito just for the sake of it, I guess, right now. I'm getting the OCDs. That was contagious. I have a feeling. Uh, how did we manage note IDs and note like the contents in the note? That's probably the way which we need to manage board as well.
Yeah, because those were in the object which is how you did it initially.
Hmm.
But hang on a minute. It's saying, can you expand that arrow for the first post?
Yeah. Which one do you want to get?
30. So it's coming at line 30.
It's the
Go
fetch
back.
API with header. It's this one.
Line 30. It's saying unsupported.
If I try commenting this for now, do you think it'll work?
Let's try it. Posting a body.
All right.
Uh,
What?
huh?
What? Okay. So it's not us. It's something which happened to the code overnight. Oh
So
wait,
that's
what?
not even
Who
working.
did no? Who did cores? There was no cores.
We did cause when it started to work, and then we were testing it with cause,
Oh,
and it was
it was
working
still
as well.
working.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hang on a minute. I'm gonna Google this. Fetch API.
Do you wanna see the error?
Fetch API. I think I know that all by heart. That's how many times we received the error.
Hmm.
Fetch API unsupported. Unsupported post. Fetch API unsupported immediate. No, that's not ours. We need unsupported post method.
That's impossible. What?
Check if what with how we left it is still working because I've got doubt now.
Okay, I'll go ahead and comment this function, but highly doubt if that's gonna make any difference. All right. This is probably what we had. We had an alert, which is again making no point. Yeah.
Okay, using fetch.
Yeah, that's pretty much how we left it for
And
now.
is that still working?
Let's try to have a look. Are you trying to Google it as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no.
Wait a minute.
Post body.
Oh my god. Then do you wanna see it work?
Huh?
Do you wanna see it work? Come here. I'll tell you. It'll work this time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh, that's
Gap
fine.
was is not defined.
1 second. I'll go ahead and uncomment that. That works. But now
Board.
let's uncomment this and let's uncomment this. Actually, let's uncomment all of it. Um, oh my god. Right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let's try this out. Okay, hard reset.
Ah,
You're
this
not
is
gonna ask me
ridiculous.
what I did to make it work. That's the deal we are having then.
No, then I don't want to see you work.
We already made it work. You can that's the thing. You can't ask me how I made it work.
Okay, I'm gonna actually find out how you made it work. Then
I'm
if you're
gonna
not
go
gonna
ahead
tell
and
me.
edit that part. I think I don't know what it is doing now. Okay, that's good. It works. Wait, no, it doesn't.
It do it doesn't work.
But
It's
it's
coming from the API.
yeah, it doesn't work. I think you need
So
to go ahead and change
to
stuff
be
in the API right now.
so may I ask what did you do since the deal is off?
Nah,
Because
that's
it's
not
not
happening.
working.
We'll make it work someday or the other. The deal still stands. So you can go ahead and share your screen and we can look at the API ones.
Okay, hang on a minute.
You're never gonna know. You're never
I'll
gonna
find
know.
out. Find out if you do if you make a deal that when you commit the code you're not gonna edit anything.
Okay,
Then
I'll
I
show you
will
how.
find out.
I'll show you what I did. Wait, I'll share my screen. Um,
Okay.
you know how we were having an error here?
Yeah.
Turns out when I copied this URL,
Mhm.
I cut it, so there was nothing in the URL. That was the
Interesting.
error, and I just like
Uh,
sneakily put back in. So that
interesting. Yeah. That's a powerful dev's life, to be
nah,
honest.
that's a part of the stupid person's life.
All right. So we are here. Get a particular board. No, yeah, this one. So I think this one should probably be
Be fetched
uh
from the body.
request dot params. No, 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 no. Need to check how we did that other code. Yeah, there
Yeah.
we go.
And in the body also, it's named board name.
Yeah, yeah. Create new board.
Go up, go
Delete
up, up, go up. Yeah,
get a
there.
particular board.
Oh, up,
No, that's not this one.
up.
No,
Just search post.
that's this. Here we go.
Yep.
Board name.
You missed the R in the board.
Okay, I'm gonna deploy this one now. That one's there. Call request. Call perfect.
Not
Is it?
sure.
Hopefully. Until now, you must have actually guessed in software why I only say hopefully.
Yeah, that's true. I
All
mean, but
right.
like also the fact that software is the most precise thing. If it's not
Hmm.
working, it's probably you did something wrong, not because.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Because whenever I need help from someone, I always use the term, can you see where I messed up, please? Because I know it's me. It can't be the computer because, yeah, I'm actually telling it what to do.
Yeah, that's true. Like how can it go bad overnight?
Yeah,
But it somehow does. I don't know how.
true.
I have a strong feeling this will work. Don't say maybe then.
Yeah, I said hopefully.
All right, that's better than maybe.
See, I've got Mo in those kind of situations. o- Uh, I always say hope for the best, hope for the best, plan for the worst. Simple as
Yeah,
that.
that's true. Do you wanna see a magic scene?
Yeah.
Do you remember how
Go.
in childhood you used to this? Have you seen this? I don't know
No.
if you have done this. And
What is it?
the pen appears to be like not rigid. Wait, I'll try it
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
I don't know if it works. It probably won't work on camera. Yeah, it probably doesn't work on camera. That was a failed magic trick.
But what was it trick though itself? There you go.
Oh,
It's done.
oh,
Yeah.
wait. Let's do this, then I'll explain the trick when it
Okay.
doesn't work.
Cool. Yeah. Hopefully it does work.
Or hopefully it doesn't work.
Hopefully it does
Okay, I'm just using your strategy.
work.
All right, hard refresh. Um,
Are you sure
guess,
we don't need to do any changes in the Fetch API?
guess we'll know now.
Okay.
Interesting. I'll do it once
Did you
more.
press? Hang on. Board name is empty string.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it coming up as empty string where we haven't even given it an empty string? That's interesting. Board name, board name.
That's true,
Go
actually.
go back to the code. Um, no cause board. Okay, you wanna try again?
Should I? Should it be where or let?
Uh,
It's a
make it let.
okay.
That's a industry standard now.
Okay.
Let they
All right.
board.
Mm,
Why do we have a underscore there?
sorry.
How about if you remove the underscore from data on line 20?
Actually, how about I pass it bold?
Mm-hmm. Do that as well.
Hope you can't hear music. I'm in the public area, so
Oh.
and they're playing good music.
Um. No.
Um,
No. It didn't work. Hang on. I'll just go and delete everything from the table because it's just causing us
hmm,
to scroll down.
don't get how it's not working now.
There must be something we are doing what we're not supposed to do. Hang on, just give me a few minutes. I'll get rid of
Yeah,
the
take it easy.
populated data. Empty board name, board name. Uh-huh. So board name is so the board name is
Hmm.
coming as an object.
Oh, then I don't need to stringify it. Is that
Probably
what you're
not.
saying?
Probably. Try that. Because if you see my screen, hang on a minute.
Yeah, I'll see that. Yeah, I
See
can see yours.
this part.
I can see yours.
See this part. Empty, empty, empty.
Yeah, yeah. Or what we can do is we can go ahead in the express, and when we initialize this thing, we first assign it to a string,
Mm-hmm.
and then we assign the body dot request or request of body.
Okay, can do that.
Because
So
eventually it has to be a string.
yeah, yeah, true. Delete a specific book,
Whoa,
create
only
new
15
board.
minutes left. Time flies.
Yeah. Um. So what were you saying again?
When we initialize, um, wait a minute. How can it be a? That's interesting. In when we initialize board name inside item, first we can initialize it as a string. Then we can try giving it the board name.
So you're saying in this way,
Yeah. Wait.
that way?
No. Nah. Um. Wait. No. Do control. Yeah. Can we in board name inside the item? That's what I'm saying. When
Inside.
we
Uh-huh.
initialize it, can we first give it an empty string and then can we change it? Is that possible? I don't know if it is.
So this part can only have one value.
Yeah, so make it empty string for now.
Okay. Right.
And you know how we used to access the items array?
Yeah.
So you can go into the items array and find this board, change the board name to the let board name thingy.
But wouldn't that be the same as this logic?
So
Because
right
first,
now, that logic is making it come as an object, and I don't know how that's happening. Um,
because
yeah.
no, no, sorry, that wasn't an object. It wasn't an object because object normally has those curly braces, but in that one, it was the HTML tags. So ignore me.
Um,
Yeah, yeah, ignore me. That's not the case. That
all right.
wasn't an object. I just recalled it. Um,
Hmm. Interesting.
let me just check something. So here is using that one. Post, yeah, headers, and then body is just stringifying this object here. That's all.
Hmm.
And body data type must match content type header.
And what's our content type? Let's see. Um, it's application.json,
Hmm. Yeah, content
which is fine.
application slash JSON. Yeah, this should be fine. Redirect, no referrer. I'll. So this is happening in the fetch.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just put this back. Because what I'm really concerned about is that even though we're not giving it an empty string, why is it coming up as empty string?
That's true. Do
And
you think board name is being,
hang on, I'll
yeah,
do this, then we will
but
deploy and see what.
that won't print anywhere.
It will in Lambda, I think so.
Oh yeah, okay. Yes, that might solve a lot of problems. Yay, another deployment.
It's fun, isn't it?
Hmm.
Deployment
10 deployments a day.
takes yeah,
If we
half a
were
day.
if we were a dev team, our senior dev would be really happy after seeing 10 deployments a day.
Yeah, true, true. And if we told him that, okay, cool, we're just doing it for testing purposes,
Yeah,
then he's gonna get mad.
that's true.
Oh, so how much work have you guys been doing? It
A lot, a lot.
seems a lot of testing.
Yeah, I read a meme which said I saved my company 100,000 by switching to the local host. Like
Yeah,
that's
yeah. Wow. Wow.
sorry.
Um, I'm just thinking.
You
Oh,
like this background better, Zen, or do you like my room better?
which one? Let me see. Hang on.
No, I'm talking about the
Where's my?
current background.
I like your room better because there's a football in the background as well. There's some
That's true.
suitcases, so I still get a bit entertained.
Yeah.
On what did I do there? Deploy this. What? No, come on.
Oh, did you do
I pressed
no?
the wrong button. As in the
Oh,
person says sign and apparently it just ended.
that's fine. One more minute.
Hmm. Okay, now I need to be careful. So come on. Okay, yes.
Alright.
Boom. Right. So we need to have a look at the board name. So you know what you can do?
Mhm.
Y- Oh, should it be request or response? Because we're sending our response.
I don't know about that.
Because
With
hmm
yeah, you're the master in this one. So,
no, I wouldn't go that far, man. As in
um,
calling me a master. I'm just. This
what
is
do
my
you think?
first time doing this fetch API stuff
Yeah.
as well. So what I mean is, if you go back into your code,
Okay. Yeah. On it.
we are returning a response. isn't it? Go back. I'll go down. S- Yeah, they we are
Oh,
having the response, but we're using a request there in the API.
cheeky. All right, let's change that.
Shall we try this first? Because I really
Yeah,
want to
it's
see
already
what
deployed.
value
It's already
do we get.
deployed. Do you want me to call it?
Yeah, and then I'll go in Lambda and check it out.
All right. This. Okay. Wow.
Is it working?
No and no.
She said wow in such a way that I thought, whoa, nice. It's working now, huh?
Yeah, it's just fascinating.
Am I even checking the right Lambda function?
Give me one
Let's
sec. I
check
know
my
what I changed.
permissions.
Just give me one sec. Um,
Cool.
okay. Wow. Really?
It's working?
Mm-hmm. Not even close. It's
Stop
unworking.
saying wow.
Unworking. It's even.
As soon as you say oh, wow, I take it as wow. Thank God it's working now.
No, it's unworking. I
Okay,
think you
I'm
need to do
gonna
something.
yeah. I will go into CloudWatch and share my screen.
Oh, yeah, you already are. I put it on.
Okay, cool. Ah, come on. There we go. That's the CloudWatch. Okay, that
All right.
one was what? 21, 20. No, 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 no. That's not the one. It's on the 30th.
Oh, it's a different API, right? So you need. Oh, we needed to set up CloudWatch again for the new API. Remember we
GNL.
deployed.
Huh?
Remember we redeployed, so we need to give up CloudWatch permissions again.
Right. I see. Right, cool. That would make sense. API sir, come to us. We need
Yeah.
your duh, 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 duh. Okay, Scrambler API 1, and we're just gonna give it a permission to log to CloudWatch. How is the permissions done? Method request, integration. No, no, no. How was it done?
I don't remember. We just saw some stuff online and it worked.
It's prod, I think.
Yeah.
Login tracing. There we go. Cool. Okay, try again.
All right. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll call it again. Mm-hmm.
Express
College
function.
ones.
Come on now, CloudWatch. Give me some
Not
lovin'.
a lot of time left.
Hmm?
Not a lot of time left.
Yeah. No. Why not? Am I even checking the right one?
Still not there?
Check. Hello. Ah, I'm checking the wrong one. God.
Oh, yeah.
Cloud formation. So that one was this one. Hello world, not the express. There you go. Monitor and see what it outputs the value for board name.
Alrighty. Don't be null.
I think it would be an empty string or no.
I hope it's not.
Hopefully.
Alright.
Wow, this has taken 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And interesting, it doesn't come up with any solve errors.
I mean, yeah, it's not throwing any error whatsoever. That's
No,
true.
but I really wanted to see what it logs up.
Oh boy.
No, nothing. Ah, here we go. See, undefined.
Yeah, let's change it to res.
Hmm. Ah, I need to do it. My bad. I'm changing my screen
I was
to
like,
see
what's
you do
happening
it.
here? This works good. I work on the middleware and you work on the API.
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
That works good.
Yeah, but it's always fun if one person works on both, and that's called full stack development.
But this is team stack develop.
Hey,
Oh, you're
why am
building
I
again. You are building
building
again.
again? There we go. Okay, let's just see this. If it doesn't work, then we can call it a day. Oh, wow. I need to get some sleep as well.
Yeah, you should.
Honestly, Matt, when you're in the workforce, time flies past.
That's true.
As in, when it's Monday and when Friday comes,
Wow, it's
you
Friday
lose
already.
track of time. Yeah.
Oh, that means we have to stream for 2 hours tomorrow. Yay.
Yay. It's fun. More fun. An extra hour is fun.
Yeah. Yay. That's pretty good. But I feel
Okay,
like
cool.
whenever
There we
we
go.
stream 2 hours, we just get 1.5 worth of content.
Yeah, yeah, true.
The last, the,
Rest.
la- the last 30 minutes is just like we hanging there.
Yeah, true. All right. You wanna give it a go
Yeah.
again, and then I will check in Lambda what comes up.
I don't think so. I need to deploy it again. So there is a go.
Aha. Board prod 502 middleware 30. It's the same error that's coming up again.
I promise it's there.
Just make sure. There's a lot.
um, Fail to load resource and which
Hang on a
resource?
minute. Let me just make sure that you've got the thing right. I'll paste it in the private chat
Yeah.
just
What is it?
for OCD purposes, as in the URL.
Okay. I mean, it works and it did go online.
Someone came in the comments.
Hello,
Hi,
someone. Oh,
Andre.
hey, Andre. How's it going?
Welcome, mate. How you doing? All right?
All right. I'll start the server again.
Cool.
I really didn't want to do. All right. Home.html and this time we'll go for test. Wow, there's more errors
Yes.
than we
Access
expected.
to
It's in line
from
48.
origin. Oh, the first one is a cause error
Oh, wait. I know why.
because we've got cause. Ah, okay, cool.
You didn't see that. Close your eyes.
Nope,
Close your
no,
eyes. And
I just it's closed.
this is all going to be
Yes,
edited.
Andre, we have.
Is Andre asking about the water?
Yeah.
Because I don't have water right now.
So I,
Okay, Andre.
I have. Uh, Kay hasn't.
Oh my god. Okay. Um,
Just bear with me, Karthik. I'll get some water for myself, right?
all right. So you don't have water. You liar.
It just finished. Just
Sure.
about 5 seconds ago.
Okay. I believe you. How was it, Andre? All right. I'm still getting the same error. All right. Let's
So how we
do.
doing?
Still the same error on line number 30. I
Board.
have a feeling it's something to do. Yeah, scan count. Yeah. So at this point, we are not even getting that stuff like board name isn't being initialized at all. So
I need to go and check in Lambda. What value am I getting? Hang on.
yes, and I'm not able to push the fourth board, so that might get
Ah,
a little bit interesting.
it says an unknown error occurred and cannot read the property board name of undefined. Huh. It
Oh,
said
okay.
board name is undefined.
Also, this thing is being weird in the sense that even if I hard refresh
Yeah.
and do home, even in this place, it's not loading. I have a feeling let's give it a break today and let's drink water, as Andre says.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we can come back to it tomorrow, I guess.
Perfect. Yeah, that sounds good. Leave it for tomorrow, and uh, we can take it up
Yeah,
from here.
100%. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us. We made good progress today. We are pretty close to breaking the barrier here, and we probably will make it work. And I'll see you guys
Yes,
tomorrow.
for sure. Same time, same place, and same
Oh,
task.
you, that was in the order. You missed the order. Wait, did you or
Oh,
did you?
same time, same place, and
Yeah.
same task. Yeah,
Yes.
that's what I said.
Oh, I thought you said same task first. Never mind.
Okay, cool. No, no,
Cool.
I should have been a bit more clearer.
We can print
Anyway,
that in the merch if you want.
huh?
We can print that in the merch if you want.
Yeah, yes, same time, same same place, and
Oh,
different
you missed
tasks.
the. Oh yeah, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Anyway,
Okay,
if you're
guys.
in Melbourne, good night.
Have a good night, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.
Cheers.